You ever seen a dog try to swim in the air when you try to put him in a bathtub?
Yeah. He did that the other day. I put him by the pool.
Uh-huh.
I put his feet in the pool. Don't tell my mom.
She'll try to like decontaminate the entire pool.
Run. Ozzy got her.
Did he bite you? Yes! He's flirting you. He bit the snot out of me.
I hate that bird.
Well, you type bird up or a parrot. I didn't even try to get him though. He just grabbed me when I walked by. Oh.
That cat's out there waiting for his dinner and the bird.
Well, that's when I run in because I was getting Wally, and Ozzy just grabbed a hold of me. Oh,
Hey, babe.
you little mean old bird! I'm never taking you home now.
I hate
You're letting the cat feed you.
No, take him home, please.
Treat food.
Yes. Take that demon bird home, please. I mean, you weren't going to take him home anyway. It just meant you're never going to bring my little air thing back.
So that one looks like it's sweet.
He is
That one likes to be petted.
No, he just... No.
He likes it under his...
I was reaching for the nice bird, and that one never comes to nobody, and he just latched on.
That's...
Oh, man, he took a chunk.
Oh.
Cannibal.
Yeah, he bit through my fingernail, went through the bone, like through my nail.
Oh.
I don't hold him. He hates me. This one's sweet though.
That one likes women. He hates men.
We clipped his wings on 4th of July, Matt, and we clipped him outside, and he flew to the ground.
I mean, it's been a fight. We don't even have to go to a full dinner. Like, we can be gone before. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.